Joe Beermaster here. We have a 19 Cadillac CTS. I'm going to show you how to remove these top moldings. This goes for multiple years. So the key of this is to put the window down. There's only pressure holding these on. But like on this door, you can see a screw hole on the bottom, screw hole on the left and right side, which you access from underneath here. It's a Phillips screw underneath the weather strip. Same thing on the other side, under this little strip, and they just work the molding up. We have it off here. You can see a little screw hole on each end, right there. So you open the door and access it under the weather strip, and then just pry it up. Do it slowly, gradually, and it comes right out. Here's the old door off the car. Just going to show you. There's the screw right there. On the other side, there's a screw under here. You got to get this off. And right in there in that hole is the other screw. So we're going to take them out. It was easy. Screws are out. Just basically work it up, work it along real nice and slow. It's always best to have the window down. And there it goes, it came right out. Piece of cake.